the dimension of this drawing. So I want to do for the all the area of this drawing outside. Now what I will do, I will change this one from thickness to very tiny line. So then I come here, I change to dimension. So dimension, then I press, so I come here, so I click linear, so come here, I click here, then I click here, then I drag out like this and I click. So I will come here again, this dimension, then I will come to the continuous. So this continuous, click it, so it will continue from where this one stop. So that is how it's done. So I click it, I come here, I click, come here, I click, so I escape. So I want to move this one backward a little, so escape. So let me say dimension, so linear, so I come here to give it, come here, click here, and I click here as well. So move here, so I will just move this one back, just enter. So enter, so that one has been moved, so I will move this one also, so enter. So enter, I've moved that one also to the back. So this is it. Then I will do the dimension of this one as well. How will I do it? So come here, dimension, linear, then click here and then click here, so and drag up like this. So come to here again to continue that dimension, come to the continue, so click here, you have to click, okay, click here, then click here, click here, I click here and I click here, so I escape. So I will just dimension for the total one, so I will come here, I click, they come here, I click, so I will drag up, I click, and I will do like this to move it back. So I will move it, I will just move it back. So enter, move. So enter, so I click it here and I move it here, so I have moved it back. So that is how I did that one. So I move this one back little as well, enter. So that is it. So this one as well, so I will do this one, come here, dimension, linear, click here, so then drag, then come here again and click continue rather. So come here, click, I click, so I click here, click here, I click here, then escape. So I come here, I click linear again, come here to do escape, linear. So this is the total here, from here to here is the total. So I will just move back, enter. So I will just move back, so I've moved back, so click this one and I move back, enter, click here and I click here. That one is done as well. The next thing is this out, this front. Come here again, dimension, linear, then click here and I click here, then drag to the back and click, then come here and I click continue. So Okay, so I'll just come here, so in continue, so I'll come here and I click here. So come here as well, I click here, come here, I click here. So that one is done. Come here, I click here, and I come here, I click here. So I come here, I click here, click here, I click here, and I click here. Then I press escape. So that one is done. So I will do the total one. Come here, dimension, come here, linear. So I click here, then I click here as well, then I drag to the back, so and I click, then I will first of all move this one back, enter. So I will move back, so click here and then drag back. So I will move this one also, I will move this one back as well. So just move it back. So I will move it back, enter, enter. So click here and I move back. See, so that is how it's done. This one that is very join together here, I click here and I press enter to move. I click here and I move up a little while, then I click. You see, it's now. So that is how to do the dimension. So follow my work to see how I did it, so I don't bother myself to put the dimension of this one, because I've did the internal one, I've do the internal one before. Then I will just do the dimension of this one as well. So come here, linear, and this one I click here to show the dimension of this one, and I click here as well and I move, enter and enter. So I move to the back, not to rough my work. I move to the back, so I come, so it is done. So come here again, dimension, linear. So that is how it's done. Come here, move here, I move to the back. So I come and click enter, enter, come here. So that is how it's done. So congratulations on how to put the dimension. So subscribe and like button to see my previous tutorial on how I did it to this extent. Is very important, and follow my section and the roof creation as well, to know how to put the roof on your drawing, to know how to put the elevation on your drawing. Thank you very much. Thank you for the subscribing onto this channel. You are welcome.